strawberry or lemon?
Strawberry.
Strawberry or pineapple?
Strawberry.
Orange juice or strawberry juice?
Orange juice.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say that you're mad if you rather the strawberry juice.
I prefer this.
What's that? Oh shit.
I need to go in 20 minutes.
20 already? It's like 5 minutes past.
No. No. More 20 minutes. Isn't I need to go in
Gonna go to
20
the college.
minutes more. I don't know. In 11, 14, 45.
Mm-hmm. You're gonna go to college?
Universe. Yeah.
The universe. Dang.
Yes. I
You're gonna become a
will
lawyer.
hear the teacher speaking so much, and I will. I prefer this. Feeling tired.
Every time.
Prefer this. Feeling tired. I will feeling tired because I will learning civil law, and this is not the best. The best. How can I say?
Like practice.
Is I will. It's a part of the course. The law have
what?
have a civil law, have a I don't know this in English. Processo de jurisdição. Have
Procedures.
What?
Like procedures? You mean?
I don't know.
What law? Like, do you want to practice? Like business law or criminal?
Yeah. Have this.
No. I mean, what law do you want to like practice? You want to practice like business or criminal or what? Civil.
I like a civil, but the teacher is not the best. So I prefer in this course. I prefer the criminal.
Oh, so you want to be a criminal lawyer?
No. I wanna be the no. I don't know now. So
Oh, you don't know now.
I have a time to choice. So
Yeah, it's your first year, so
yeah, it's my first year. Yeah.
yeah. I studied law. I'm specialized in corporate law.
Really?
It's interesting.
Where are you from?
From Saudi Arabia,
Saudi Arabian. Oh, cool.
but I studied in the States.
My my grandpa is Lebanese.
Hey, lunatism. Hey, Kirsty. Lunatism. Are you there? Why join a VC with me and then chat with me?
What?
Ah. Are you there? Am I audible?
What do you want to chat?
Anything. I think I showed you my startup before, right? I showed you Convose. Hey, Sushi.
Hello.
How's it going?
Just writing my thesis and taking a break.
Nice.
How are you?
I am good. You sound French. Or like North African.
Me?
North African French.
Oh, no, I'm not. Sorry.
Really? You don't speak French?
No.
Wow, you have a French accent. Why do you have a French accent?
I don't know. I studied a little bit of French when I was a child, but I don't speak French.
Oh. Did you spend
Interesting.
Did you spend time speaking English with French people?
No, I don't have French friends or relatives. I'm not related to France or French people.
Wow.
I don't know.
And that's interesting because you have quite a strong French
Yes.
accent, I think. I might.
Another girl from France asked me yesterday if I'm French. I was like, no, I'm sorry.
Where are you from?
I'm from Russia.
Russia. Oh. Maybe I'm getting it confused with the Russian accent.
Well, the French girl also thought I speak French, so maybe you're not confused. And I just talk funny, I don't know.
Hey, Triyuki. You changed your profile picture, Triyuki. Did we talk before sushi is the best?
I don't know. I don't think so.
What do you do? What are you studying? What's your thesis about?
I study art history, but so my major is art history and my minor is political science. So right now I'm writing a thesis about gender, sexuality, queer, LGBTQ plus stuff. Very fun.
Is that for Russia? Like, is there like political tension around that topic in Russia?
No, I'm writing about Eurovision.
Eurovision. What is Eurovision?
Yeah,
the song.
it's a song contest in Europe where many countries compete to win. It's a music contest.
Yeah, it's a big deal.
Yeah, and it's very like gay friendly, and a lot of queer people love Eurovision. So I'm analyzing last year's boycott campaign against Israel's participation in the contest through the queer lens, and I'm comparing it to Russia, for example, that was excluded from the contest in 2022, and why Israel wasn't, and stuff like that. And I'm focusing on queer activism.
And why
How's the war going?
did it happen? Why was Russia excluded?
Because of its invasion.
Yeah,
Like they invaded Ukraine and they were automatically excluded from the contest.
yeah, but I guess there must be more things that happened, because there must have been some group of people that decided to do that, and there must have been some kind of process that caused that to happen.
No, they just claim that Eurovision is not a political contest, and if there is a country that is involved in war or anything political, they're not going to take part of it. But then Israel keeps participating for 2 years now, and I'm just comparing it like why Russia is excluded and Israel is not.
So that's my question. Like, why?
Oh,
What did you find out?
because there are a lot of theoretical frameworks from queer studies. For example, there's the theory of pinkwashing and homonationalism. Also, like spatial politics of, like sexual geographies. It all, you can look at it through these. Basically, Israel is using its diplomacy to say that they are gay friendly and they're like this democracy in the Middle East and they love gays, when it's not true. Like on the surface, yeah, but they're oppressing Palestinians, and they're even the LGBTQ plus people in Israel don't have full rights. But this is like Israel's card, and it's called pinkwashing. To say that they're so like advanced and moral and right, and their other neighbors are just backwards, basically, when it's not true. But it worked every time
Yes,
in Israel's favor.
it's like virtue signaling.
Yeah,
You're just saying things
exactly.
to make yourself look good. You're saying things that
Mhm.
the public find valuable, not necessarily because you believe in
Yeah.
it, just to get public approval. Or in this case,
Mhm.
international approval.
Yeah,
Pink
that's
washing.
exactly that.
Nice. Well,
Mhm.
every time I come to Discord, I'm learning new words. I always write them down here. My words list, so I can memorize them.
Mhm.
Do you do that? Do you have like a...
Sometimes, yeah, I write down authors that people recommend, or artists, or books, or concepts. Yeah, sometimes I write them down when I hear them, and I've never heard them before.
This was the thing that you found out, was that Russia was excluded because they weren't pinkwashing, basically. That Russia should be pinkwashing more in order to get approved into Eurovision.
Russia is the opposite of pinkwashing, and they're very proud of not doing any pinkwashing. They're very anti-LGBTQ, not friendly at all, and they even consider the LGBTQ plus movement a terrorist organization, and they're openly like
Who is they?
talking about it very proudly.
Who is they?
The politicians.
The Russian politicians.
The politicians in Russia. Yeah. So, if Russia will start doing pinkwashing, I would be very surprised, because that would mean that, at least on the surface, they are gay friendly. And that's very far away from reality right now.
I guess we've just been talking about pinkwashing as though it's negative, but maybe it's...
Yeah, it is negative. Well, Israel is pinkwashing because
But at least they're not completely
Israel
against.
does have yeah, they have LGBTQ plus rights in Israel, and you know they say, look, we have like we like gays and stuff like that, but it's not really the case because even the LGBT community in Israel doesn't enjoy full rights, and they also get oppressed by the local community because it's very like machoist, very like strong man, alpha males bullshit. And because Israel still oppresses Palestinians, so how can you liberate one group of people when you oppress another? So that's the problem with Israel.
Here it says same-sex marriage became legal in Russia in 2020.
What? Sorry, I couldn't hear.
Oh no, it's illegal in Russia. It became illegal in 2020. So it's illegal in Russia to.
Yeah, it is illegal.
Wow. How old-fashioned. How old-fashioned.
Yeah. It is very old-fashioned and sad.
I thought Russia was like more like with the times. Like they've always been more with the times with like science and things like this.
Not when it comes to queer rights. Not at all.
Yeah, it's a shame.
But like it's funny because a lot of Russian politicians and celebrities and entertainers are gay, and everybody knows that. They're just closeted gays, but like everyone knows. So as long as you don't publicly say it, that's fine, even though it's very obvious.
Yeah. I think that these kinds of things are symbolic of a much bigger problem that exists in every single country. Like, even like every single country. Like Australia, we are seen as like a developed country, but we are still facing the same core problem, which is these few people, like these few politicians, have the power here to make this change. Maybe it's not so extreme like in Russia, maybe, but in Australia, we still face this problem where the few people are making the decisions. We've got this top-down culture, and the culture comes from these people at the top in a similar way.
Yeah. I guess that's one of the problems when the culture is top down.
I mean, I think it is always top down. Like if you look in like I'm building my own startup and I'm really interested in like culture because it's important inside of a startup, inside of a company. What culture your company has determines like which direction your company goes, which is basically everything about leadership is which way you lead the people, and it's important to lead in a good direction. And if you've got like trillions of different directions that you can bring the company in, you've got to lead it in one direction. You can't go in every direction. You've got to go in just one direction. It's got to be a good direction.
Yeah.
It's got to be good for the company. The culture is this kind of thing, I think. And it's always top down. It comes from the top. Inevitably, the people in the company, they get to work and they do their jobs and they focus on their jobs. They don't focus so much on the bigger picture. The bigger picture is for the leaders to do. It's their responsibility because you have to delegate the tasks somehow, and the leaders have to kind of. I mean, obviously, it's ideal if everybody is leading and everybody is like looking at like which way the company should go in, but that's also culture. So if that's the culture you want, then that's also the leadership. It inevitably comes down from the top because people are afraid to lose their jobs. So
Yeah.
they will try and please the people at the top. It's the same thing in Australia. People are trying to please the politicians. People are trying to please the people with the money, the people who own the land. You're paying rent to somebody, or you're working for a boss. And there's so much power concentrated into the hands of a few, and these few people they control the culture. I think it's a big problem in the world these days that the old people,
Yeah.
these few old people, they have so much power, and this is what causes these kinds of crazy things to happen. Is this concentration?
Hi guys.
Hello.
I
How are you, bro?
Or what?
Yeah.
Can I show you my startup, Sushi, and everyone?
Yeah.
So the project I'm building, my startup, the goal, the problem that we're trying to solve is that it's difficult to find good conversations. Like most of the time, you get into VCs here in the language sloth, and people are talking about just random topics that are not so interesting for you, like some video game that's not interesting for you, or some TV series, or occupation, or technology that's not interesting for you. But then other times you do get into a VC and it's an interesting conversation. It's not superficial. It goes into the topic that you're passionate about. You get some feedback that's useful for you, or some therapeutic inspiration that's helpful for you, or some information.
Your voice is lagging like really badly. I don't know if it's just for me.
No, it's. I mean, a little bit.
Maybe if I speak closer to the microphone, is that better?
Yeah.
Can you hear me clearly, Sushi?
Not really, man.
It's like
Usually you have a good microphone. 50-50.
50-50.
Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's like robotic.
Yeah, try to talk.
What if I speak like this, very close to the microphone?
Yeah, that's better, man. That's better, man. That's better.
Is that better, Sushi?
Yes.
Yep.
Cool. Thank you for letting me know. So the problem that we're trying to solve is that it's difficult to find good conversations, basically, here. You have to do so much manual searching in the language sloth if you want to get into a good conversation. I mean, most of the time it's okay, but then occasionally, like 1 in 10 conversations, maybe it's like a much better conversation where you really get more value out of it. We want to make it so that it's easy to get into those kinds of conversations that are like high value. So the idea of Convose is you can search with any keywords. So you can search languages or locations, religions, video games, sicknesses, sports, anything, history, art history, LGBTQ, Russia, Russian politics, anything. And then it connects you with people down here who have the same interests as you. So you can find instant conversations about specific topics, or instant conversations with people who have lots of things in common with you, ending not only one-on-one, but also like group and group calls as well. We want to solve the problem like here in the language sloth. We just have language learning in common. Apart from language learning, we're just random people, basically. But here in Convose, you could choose like the kinds of people that you connect with more easily. So you won't just find people who are interested in language learning, but you find people who are interested in language learning plus more things.
Seems like a very nice idea.
I mean, it is.
Yeah.
The thing is, I want to try to, because the site is beautiful. I mean, you need to add a lot of stuff, like for example, the friend request or this kind of stuff. I don't know if there is right now, but in general, if you add this stuff and there is a lot of people more after, this site can be good. Trust.
Yeah.
Because the important stuff is let this site known. Like people need to discover this site. I mean, I don't know how, but
maybe every time.
You know what? Can you? Okay, this is not. Maybe this is too much, but have you ever thinking about like putting it on Play Store?
Yeah, we
Like
are on the Play Store.
the
That's our main.
what the fuck are you really?
Yeah, it's the main platform actually.
I'm gonna load it.
We have.
That's the thing. You never say that because
Yeah,
you know
because normally I'm always.
people are all time. Man, you need to say that after because people are always on the phone. So
Yeah, it's true. Well, most people are. For me, I love the laptop. I love to be able to type and see the big screen.
oh, did you adapt for the big screen?
Say again.
Der Motor ist auch best.
Did you adapt the site for the big screen?
What do you mean? Sorry, Dragonita?
Hello,
Do
people.
you remember that? Do you
Hello,
remember that
Yanni.
I had a big screen here, right?
I think so. And the design wasn't so good for the big screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to fix that. I talked with the developer
Oh,
about
yeah.
it again, but he thinks that it's like more than a week or something, maybe up to a month of work just to get it looking good for the big screen.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, there's some simple things that we can do, but these are like half measures. If we wait a little bit, then we can make it look really good for the big screen.
That's great. I mean, I'm sorry, I have a big screen. That's all.
Yeah, many people do here. It's unfortunate thing actually about
really?
About Discord is they have the big screen. There's so many developers with the big screen here, so it doesn't look so good.
Oh.
Yeah, we will fix it. Actually, if you zoom in on Convose, like if you hold Command and press the plus button, it might fix it. I guess it'll make it look more like this. But that's not a good fix, I know. Do you want to try Convose Sushi? I'd be curious to hear your feedback.
Yeah, I'm trying to install it on my phone.
Nice. It's available in Russia. How many stars on the Play Store?
I installed it. Let me check.
Oh, yeah, I see somebody new. Is that?
I can't see the stars. It doesn't show me any rating.
Yeah, that's weird. I saw this before actually.
Hi, Time.
Another user told me
Hello.
this. Hey, Time.
Hi, beautiful. Let's see.
Beautiful?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Ah.
I mean, look at him.
Is that you on Convose Sushi? I can see a new person there.
No, that's not me.
Oh.
Maybe that's me? Oh yeah. Yes.
Found it.
I'm trying to
I'm
log
downloading
in.
it. It can be fun. It can be funny.
Yeah, we made it so you don't have to log in. We made it just like YouTube. On YouTube, you can just start searching for videos straight away, even as a new user. We want to do like the same experience as YouTube, where you can just find videos about anything. You just type in keywords and find videos about anything. Except on Convos, you type in keywords and find conversations about anything. Like instant live conversations about anything.
So I have to connect my Gmail, my Google account.
Yeah, we don't have email sign up. We just have Google sign up and Facebook and Apple. But I mean, it doesn't. Yeah, I don't know. You can also use like just a fake Gmail.
It will show only like my first name, right?
It will show. the first name. I mean, it shows Maeve. I don't know if it's
That's my last name.
Ah, okay.
Just
Really?
don't want to dox myself
Yeah.
when you're streaming. And
Yeah, you know,
Yeah.
that's bad.
Sorry. So it showed your last name. That's weird. It shouldn't do that. It doesn't. It didn't do that for me.
What's wrong with you? You strike me the fucking time. Yeah, shush. Shush. We've had enough, alright? You do what you're told.
I did a lot of research, like in other apps. I tried all the other apps that people ever mentioned to me, and I couldn't find any app where you can just type in a keyword and get straight into a real-time conversation with somebody about that keyword. So if you really want to talk with people about a specific topic, it's very difficult online right now to just quickly get into a conversation with somebody about that topic. Like on Discord, you have to go through many inactive servers and servers that are in different languages, go through the onboarding process of those servers, and search for people inside of those servers. Everybody is so spread out on all of those servers that most of the time there's no VC happening. Many times there's no even conversation in the chat happening. Most times that I try, it takes like five minutes of manual searching before I can get into a conversation. So we think that we can reach like a critical mass of users with about 2,000 daily users. We can already make instant conversations about many popular topics, like maybe like history, I guess, which is relevant for you, or like JavaScript or other popular topic technologies or popular video games. Like JavaScript was always the keyword that I tested with, and I couldn't find any app on the internet where you can just type in JavaScript and get straight into a real-time conversation with somebody about JavaScript. It's like maybe similar to the amount of time that it takes you to find a video on YouTube about JavaScript. We think we need about 2,000 daily users to make that possible. With the last launch, we got up to 1,267 returning daily users, and we're just starting the next launch now. And I think we can get to 2,000 returning daily users with this launch.
You know what I want to do?
Hi guys. Hi guys.
You know what I want to do?
No.
I want to wage war. Where are you? Are you in Suriname or are you in Hawaii?
I'm in Jamaica, literally.
Are you in Jamaica? You're Jamaican me crazy.
Crazy. Hi, good day. Could I have a king, please? Yeah. Okay. No, I haven't seen any. Which one do I want to see? You have any bigger Sprite?
The girls look lovely, she said. Look.
How much is it? The Coca-Cola. All right.
We added ChatGPT to the chat now, Dragonida, and to the one-on-one chat.
What the fuck you say? Really?
Did I show you that
Let me see.
already?
Yeah.
Actually, you won't.
No, never. Let me see.
It's not on the app yet. It's only on convose.com.
Mm-hmm. Wait, where?
So like, what is Dragonida?
Can I share on
Oh,
the
Dragonida is a fiction.
Can I pay on there? I'm gonna want to stretch the money over something.
I see.
Yeah.
Smiley, you've got a lot of background noise.
Yeah,
Because
that's
I'm
true.
walking. I'm sorry. Crazy.
Don't be sorry, be better.
Anyway, I'll be better. I'm being better. I'm walking now. I'm giving you guys views of the dirt. Shit, why am I keep on look sideways?
I mean, I need to go to work, but I downloaded the app.
Yep.
Maybe I can try more. So,
Is that you who said
yeah.
hi? See ya.
Wait.
I also gotta go. I have my thesis to write.
Yes. Good luck with it, Smiley. Sorry, Sushi.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Bye.
Bye. Nice to meet you too. Bye.
Bro was giving me a thesis to write. That's crazy. Good day. Good morning, students. Morning. Good morning. Hello?
Hey, Happy.
Yeah, I just changed my name.
I'm Christian. Why do you think I was from that country?
You changed your name? What was your name before?
My name is
My name was
Triyogi.
Ah, you're Triyoki.
Yeah.
Sometimes I wonder who I'm talking to on Discord. It's very difficult. People completely changing their face. It's like
Yeah, it is.
It's like if people in real life were just like morphing into different people, you'd have no idea who they were.
Are you German?
No, I'm Australian.
Wait, who?
Happy.
Because of
No.
the Hitler. No, it's
no,
not.
no. That's Charlie. That's Charlie Chaplin.
Yeah, obviously.
That's not Hitler.
I never thought he would. Like, he has an accent and it sounds a bit German.
I think he was inspired by Charlie Chaplin, was he? That's why he got the.
Nah.
No?
Nah. What the fuck?
Yeah, Hitler was inspired by Charlie Chaplin. Ah.
It's actually
Crazy.
the other way around. People who want to Charlie
other way
inspired by Hitler.
That's what he's gonna claim now. Which one
God
was born
damn.
first?
I didn't
back
knew
on
it.
him.
I didn't knew it. I just put it on my profile picture. Yeah.
There's no evidence that he copied.
Yeah.
Chaplin parodied Hitler.
I wanna go to bed. I wanna go to bed.
Anyways.
Where are you guys from?
Did you added like any new features in your app?
How long ago did we talk? I think it was very recent, right? So probably didn't have enough time to add any new features. It was only 3 days ago, so I don't think so. We did improve the. Where are you? I hear you are, Triyuki. We added we added the chat GPT to the one-on-one chat now. So where what is you?
Wait, what do you mean? Like I can talk to ChatGPT?
Yeah, so we can talk with
or what?
We can talk with ChatGPT together in this chat. So I can ask ChatGPT what is Triyuki, for example, so we can both see it. Triyuki is a sacred Hindu pilgrimage site in Nepal, known for its ancient temples and religious significance.
Damn. I didn't knew it. The fuck?
We can do this in the group chat as well. So like you can imagine like
That's nice.
Here in the VCs on Language Sloth, a lot of the time people are arguing about things, or there's like people saying words that not many people know the definitions of these words, or what they mean. It would be useful if we could be getting the definitions and like fact checking, like truth checking people's statements. I think it can help to stop a lot of arguments, help to elevate the conversations here.
Okay.
Eventually,
Who's doing your SEOs?
Say again.
I was saying like who's doing your SEOs?
We don't have any SEO at the moment, really. We're going to add more SEO in the future. We're going to make it so that the profiles, like these full screen profiles, will work as our SEO. So every full screen profile would be an individual website, basically. So you'd be able to search Google for these chats, essentially. So if you search Convose plus social media plus technology, maybe it will come up with you through Google.
Coca-Cola. Yeah, they recommended to me by some people.
Could you do me a favor, Happy Triyugi? Could you add lots of interests to your profile on Convos?
Okay, yeah. Wait.
If we all add lots of interests, then maybe at some point Convos will start to like be successful. Start to make it so you can find
Okay, let me
conversations about specific topics.
see. What's the minimum what do you call it?
The maximum number of interests.
Minimum interest I should add, yeah.
You can add any number actually. So I think yeah, maybe we need to protect against this because somebody could create a bot and just spam interests on Convos.
Let's see.
But yeah, you can add any number. If you see in my profile, I've added like 100, maybe 100 and something. You can also order the interests. So if you long press on the interests that you're most interested in, it will drag it to the top of the list, and then it will prioritize people who match the interest at the top of your list.
Let's see this one. This one. This. Is this good now? I've added like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10.
Yeah, awesome. Anytime, if you
Okay.
like every single interest that you add is adding, like it's increasing the diversity of interests on Convose. Like it increases it massively actually. So it increases the chance that somebody will come to Convose and enter an interest and find somebody who matches their interests and be able to start an instant conversation about anything. So every single interest that we all add, it's creating Convose. It's making it possible to find instant conversations about anything.
Damn.
You can also add.
So if I add like any interest, people will find this platform, right?
It will make Convos more interesting. Like at the moment, we have the problem that people come to Convos and you just find random people. So it's the same as the other platforms. We need to make it so it's special. And to make it so it's special, we need to make it so you can find instant conversations about specific topics. This is the point where Convos will become something special. And I think Convos will explode at this point because there is nowhere online where you can just enter JavaScript, for example, and find an instant conversation with somebody who's interested in JavaScript, or enter in some popular video game and instantly get into a conversation with somebody who's interested in that popular video game. Like on Discord, you have to go searching through so many servers when you want to find a conversation about a specific topic. It takes like 5 minutes of searching because you've got to go through the onboarding processes and sort through conversations that are in Russian and different languages that you can't speak, and then sort through the server. And sometimes the onboarding process takes days to complete. A lot of the time the servers are inactive, so you've got to find one that's active. A lot of the time they don't have any ongoing conversations, so you've got to find one that has an ongoing conversation or somebody that will talk with you. So the whole process takes like 5 minutes of searching. It's very tedious and annoying, and it's the same thing on all of the other apps like Facebook groups and Telegram. On every single app, it's a very tedious process of like 5 minutes of searching before you finally get into a conversation. So with Convos, it will be
Wait,
very easy.
Can you like separate the groups and the people like in the application?
Yeah, we do.
Hi guys. Hi Ruth.
We do have it separate on the mobile app, but we don't have it
Okay.
separate
Oh, you.
on the website.
Oh, okay. But I cannot log into the mobile app.
Really?
Yeah, I created the account like 2 months ago or something like that. I don't know. But right now, if I create like account, it doesn't create the account.
Can you show me what is happening? I think I've heard this.
Okay, wait.
I've heard this feedback before, but I never was able to understand it. So maybe.
Yeah, I'm the same guy. I'm the same guy. I'm that guy.
But actually, a few different people have told me about this. So it's very important to fix this problem if it is happening, because I can't reproduce it on my phone. On my phone, it's working fine. So maybe it's.
Okay, wait. Let me reinstall the application. Hmm. Okay, yeah, it's fixed. It's fixed now.
Oh, okay, cool.
I can log in. Yeah. That's good. That's good. Yeah.
Yeah, we fixed a lot of bugs with the recent update. Yeah, we did we did an update today actually that fixed a lot of bugs. So actually we're gonna start the launch now. I just turned on the ads and users should start to come into Convose.
Now it looks pretty good. Yes. Wait, how many active users you have right now in your app?
Hi guys. Hi Josh.
Right now, there's 7 people online. Hey, Boris.
Josh, do you want to see Russian supersonic passenger aviation plane?
Russian supersonic passenger something plane. Sure.
Yeah, look.
Look at what? Ah, wow.
Look, bro.
Wow. That's a Concorde. It looks like a Concorde.
Yeah. It's a Soviet competitor of Concorde. Yeah.
Nice.
You're right. It's called Tupolev.
It's called Tripoli?
Hello.
Because here is how you say it in English? Aviation University.
Ah. Is that your university?
So, and they have this decoration, a body of this plane.
That's a train station, guys.
There? No, it's university. And that's the plane.
Nice. Hey.
In the middle of the city. And this, guys, is the ugly Russian architecture. Look how ugly it is.
It looks like Chernobyl. Do you know that TV series, Chernobyl?
Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, you're right. So what do you do in Russia? You buy this good car and live in this ugly house.
I think that
buy this Mercedes.
Yeah. I think the favorite color.
Yeah, and live in.
Favorite color of a Russian person is gray, right?
It's your kitty cat.
It's fucking gray. Not gray. Fucking gray.
Fucking gray. It's a specific kind of
That's
gray.
the word. This word. F word. And look, the crosswalk is also ugly.
Bro, look where I live. It's so ugly.
Don't hate your country. Don't hate your.
Me? Do you know where I am?
It looks like Russia too.
You? You are in West Germany.
Yeah, it looks
or
like
East Germany.
Looks like Germany. The big houses.
Me?
Germany has these 3-story houses.
Yeah, am I right? Or in Poland.
No. Scotland.
No? Scotland.
Scotland.
Oh.
Scotland looks
I see.
weirdly Eastern European sometimes.
They go now. That's too hard. Yeah. That's not extended. Emphasis the art. That guy was the same person. That's enough. They got it. They're enough. Well, you even combine it. You know what? Hold fluid here. Oh, what's that? Oh, there's two left. What the fuck? What a time differential with that? Yeah, it's cold water. That's bad.
Hey, Stephanie. Maybe the link is blocked in China. Is that right?
Bro.
也可以说中文。我要提高我的中文。